Cardamom is a fragrant spice that is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It is loaded with beneficial compounds like essential oils and phenols, which have been shown to have a wide range of health benefits. This video will discuss what happens to your body when you add cardamom to your food every day. Antioxidant boost. Cardamom has high levels of antioxidants, such as polyphenols and essential oils, which can help protect cells in your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive particles that can damage DNA and cause inflammation, which is linked to many diseases. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Digestive health. Cardamom has long been used as a digestive aid in traditional medicine. It contains essential oils like terpenes and terpenoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on the digestive system. It can help reduce gas, bloating, and diarrhea, and improve overall digestive health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cardamom is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the digestive system, respiratory system, and joints. This can be especially helpful for those with chronic inflammatory conditions such as asthma and arthritis. Heart health. Cardamom contains compounds like quercetin and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health. For example, studies have shown that quercetin can help reduce oxidative stress and cholesterol levels, both of which are important for heart health. Brain function. Cardamom has been shown to improve brain function and cognitive performance in some studies. Research suggests that terpenes in cardamom can enhance neurotransmitter activity in the brain, which can improve memory and focus. It's worth noting, though, that more research is needed to understand the full extent of cardamom's effects on brain health. In summary, cardamom is a powerhouse of health-promoting compounds that can have a positive impact on various aspects of your body and overall health. By adding cardamom to your food every day, you can enjoy its beneficial virtues and reap its many health benefits.